you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for tuning back in. I'm excited to see you as much as you are excited to see me. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Naomi and you are highly welcome. This is the right place for you to be. Do not go anywhere. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button right now, and I'm going to pause for you to actually tap on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So let's do that before I continue. I'm waiting. Yeah, go on. Thank you. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use a mix of fruit pulp that you do not want to waste. Of course, there is no wasting on this channel. We don't waste anything. Everything actually comes out handy and very useful for all of us. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make yourself a lovely cup of smoothie and still achieve maximum nutrients and vitamins in them using your fruit pulp that contains varieties of fruit. Like you have juiced up a whole lot of fruits and you have varieties of fruit pulp, like you have carrot, beetroot, ginger, cucumber, everything, apple, all mixed up together, and you want to still get the maximum benefits using this fruit pulp. I am here to show you how to do it. So without talking too much, let's go straight right into it and get us a cup of smoothie. Come with me. Okay, family, so after juicing and you do not wish to throw away your chaps, just like me, I usually love to make use of my chaps because this is a high source of fiber. So I usually store them in a bowl like this and put it in the freezer. In a blender, add in some amount of fruit pulp and add in a medium-sized red apple or green apple. An apple a day would keep you away from the doctor, which is actually a popular saying and it is true. And it will help you with losing weight, and of course it is easy to add to your diet. You can also add in 1 plum there, which will help you with constipation and lower your blood sugar. At this point, I'm adding half tablespoon of linseed mix, which is serving as my superfood in this mix of great smoothie. I'm also adding right now yogurt. Yogurts are so delicious. They serve as a good binding to every smoothie making, and it contains nearly every nutrient your body needs for the day. So we're going to go ahead now and give this a very good blend. Making smoothie with fruit pulp is one of the ways to reduce food waste. Fruit pulp is very beneficial both to the inside of the body and outside. So taking a cup of smoothie made with fruit pulp would be beneficial to your health from the inside because it is going to cleanse you totally clean from the inside and boosting your metabolism. So I'll go ahead now and check it out. Whoa. Are you ready for this? Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. This is a meal on its own. You can actually drink it or you can scoop it with a spoon and just eat it like a meal, like it's a full meal on its own. So you see why you shouldn't throw away your fiber after juicing. You should retain it because it is still very beneficial to you. A cup of smoothie just like this one would definitely keep you full for a long period of time. So you want to try having a cup of smoothie made with your fruit pulp for breakfast, and this will keep you going. This smoothie recipe would give you all the nutrients and vitamins and minerals that your body needs for a day. So when you have this smoothie in the morning, you are good to go for the day. As long as you have apple, yogurt, plum and seed mix, you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to your family and friends so that we can all live a healthier life. Bye.